look like some shit from the birds. Better yet, a fucking vulture. You put the doodle in the thirds. You worse than a dog. You ain't got the same smell as all the other girls. Yeah, I know just what you need. You need to brush your teeth. Girl, you need to go and take a bath. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, look. I ain't done yet. Yeah. Kanye. It's Kanye part, baby. Wait till the beat drop. Here it comes. Yup. Look. Kanye. You know it, yo. You smell like shit. You should wear diapers since you say it slips. You should stop watching this video and go take a shit. But you act like there's nothing wrong, you stupid bitch. I hate your odor, but I love your smile. Give me a kiss, baby. You smell like a child. Follow my steps, baby, and it's gon' get better. You gon' smell good a little while, but it ain't gon' last forever. Girl, soap they come in boxes, and when you take it out, it'll help you come my new sis. Libby's one of my old hoes, now I got some new hoes, trying to get some more hoes, so Libby come my new bitch. Haha, I'm stupid, but I won't get my drama on. But what you smelling like is too much to comment. George finally got it through my head, not to run my mouth. But when you talking about, you know who I know who you talking about. Look, yeah, right, alright. Let's go. Yeah. Right, yep. I'm done. Quit. Stop the video. Stop it. Like, stop the video right now. No, not now. Hold up. No. Alright, right now. I'm done.